gosh, this is so nice. Our view.
Wow.
Hello, Columbus. So we just made it. Our driver took us from the airport. We're in Columbus right now. Oh my gosh, they treat us so well. Oh, it says my name. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's open it up and see what's in it. We're opening our gifts that were here. Are we going? No. Okay. Okay, wait, let's read this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is yeah. We were literally just talking about it. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. This is so cute. I was literally at our store event. I was about to buy this. Oh my gosh, so glad I didn't. Some matching undies. Oh, these are cute. Gosh, wait, I don't know. I can't. Why? Those are cute. Oh wait, we're going out of order. Oh no, I didn't find my undies. Some leggings. Wait, girl. Oh, these are cute. Oh my gosh. This color. Yes. I wanted one of their pocket tees. This is so cute. What the heck? We just open it and look at each other like, oh my goodness. Oh, yes. That is cute. Oh my goodness. This is, put this on right now. And it cinches. Absolutely. Look at this. Oh, yes. Oh, that is cute. So you can wear it baggy or you can. Oh, this is cute. Ready? This is. Oh. Stop. 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 Stop it. Stop. Okay. An avocado. It's an avocado. Thanks. Oh my gosh. They give us a Luna ball. Okay, they know. They're hooking us up. Basically, I could die happy now. This is amazing. Great. So we just cleaned up. And now we don't meet until what, 5:15? So it's only 3 right now. So we're gonna go explore Columbus. Yeah. See what there is, get some food. Get a little snack. Let's do it. And we're really excited to see our friends from South Carolina, Bata and Madison. So we'll probably meet up with them at some point. Yeah. Yeah. Let's go. Such a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees outside. And sunny. Perfect weather. We don't really know where we're walking. Nope. I just put my navigation away. I don't know why I did that. You cannot tell me a flea runs this market. There's no way. A flea? It does. Indeed it does. As I'm stuffing my face. We both got Caesar salads and fries. This place is so nice. A little market that we went to. Oh my god! Hi! We just met up with our friends from South Carolina. Branch say hi. We haven't seen each other in like almost a year. Almost a year, yeah. It's crazy. It's so crazy. So we just got ready and we're headed down to the lobby to meet the rest of the girls. We're headed to, what's it called? The candle. It's like a place where you make candles, the candle experience. Yeah, something like that. But it's gonna be really fun. We're honestly too excited about it. Rebecca's really excited about it. We get to mix our own candle scents. It's gonna be so fun. Honestly, so cool. Then we're going out to dinner with everyone at like an Italian restaurant. Good morning. It's day 2. We're headed to the Pink corporate offices in Ohio today and we get to meet the CEO. We're so freaking excited but nervous at the same time, but we get an entire hour meeting with her. So you get to ask her questions, talk to her about her life. She wants to hear a lot from us. Super exciting. So I'll try to bring you guys along with me as much as I can, but I don't know, like we just have meetings all day today, so focus groups. so amazing. There's a huge pink girl power mural right here and Starbucks right there. We just had the best breakfast ever. Oh my gosh, and they give us Starbucks gift cards, so we're gonna go get ourselves some coffee.
Like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride?
So are you gonna post this on YouTube? It is vlogception. I'm gonna link your
my
channel in the description.
In the description box below.
Once you tell me what it is.
It's just me. We'll get back to you on a name. I have not vlogged that much though.
Where are we headed now? Like Julia, if you don't post this, angels,
I'll hunt you down. I will post it.
We're on our way to the airport to fly on Pink's private plane to New York City tonight. I think we're in a dream right now. Private jet. This isn't real. This is not real. We just boarded the plane right now, and look, they give us these travel blankets. So sweet. Oh no. Are you ready?
I am so ready. Look, I got my coffee.
Oh my gosh, look at her.
My pink coffee.
We're headed to New York. They just gave us hummus plates on the plane. They're so nice. They're treating us so well. We love you. We love you so much. Oh my gosh, they gave us more goodies. I am so excited. Rebecca.
What? What is that?
It's we just got pajamas. My gosh, these are adorable. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, we're gonna take such cute pictures in these. Oh my gosh, and socks. This is so sweet. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Aww. Good morning, it's day 2. We woke up in New York today. We're so excited. We're going to eat breakfast and then we're touring the Facebook and Instagram headquarters, which I'm so excited about because apparently there's a lot of Instagrammable spots in Instagram. This is what I'm wearing. I really like my outfit today. Headquarters.
We are, but we're going to the top of the rock.
We're walking around Times Square going to the top of the Rockefeller Center to take such cute pics. It's a huge view of the city. Got my Starbucks. And we're headed up to the museum upstairs. I'm so excited. I've never seen it. So the Museum of Wings. Oh my gosh. What?
No, absolutely didn't. Are you serious?
What? Museum is closed.
No.
Good morning, it's day 4. I'm so sad we are going home today, but we are going downstairs to eat breakfast right now, and then we're going to like 3 most Instagrammable spots in New York. We have no idea where we're going, but it should be so fun. This is what I'm wearing. I bought this dress yesterday from, where did I buy it from? Zara. Yeah, I got this dress from Zara. It's so cute. My Air Force Ones. A jean jacket because it's pretty cold outside. So we just got to our first Instagrammable destination. Where is it? Oh, hello. We're at the Brooklyn Bridge. Hello. Hello. Got to the airport. We are done. I'm so sad that our trip is over. We are getting ready to board our flight, but I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe. Click the subscribe button down below. Like, comment. Okay. Goodbye.